If your Sunday school curriculum is struggling and you're looking for a better answer, a better way of doing things, and you've stumbled across the Dwell curriculum, I strongly advise you to really give it a try. You've got 4 different lessons within the lesson that you can choose from, things that you identify with or things that your children identify with. The sky's the limit with what you can bring into it.
The materials are all in the binder and it all flows together by week. It's so easily laid out. Like, I think even for us, we have great teachers who teach weekly, but we do have people who fill in, and it's easy for them to take the binder and even read over it the night before and be able to come in and teach the class. Like, it's not something that requires a lot of preparation. It's very easily laid out and has a lot of suggestions for different crafts or different ideas, whether or not, like, you can kind of judge how the kids are that day.
I enjoy the variety of it. It hits Bible stories that we aren't usually talking about. They're very curious about these new stories. They have things in them that they probably haven't heard before, and they use messages and words that they don't hear often. So we often have to do a little bit of searching in the dictionary to figure out what these old Bible time words are, and that's fascinating for them. Our kids really like to act. So we do a lot of acting where we are doing role playing, and sometimes we have them standing up on the tables and maybe they're becoming an earthquake and we flash the lights, and that always makes it a little bit more interesting for them.
What I find interesting is when I bring up the different types of activities, the students are actually the ones that want to lead it, or they're the ones that are like, hey, let me take control and go from that. And I'm like, oh, okay. So you just sit back, and that's what you want as a teacher sometimes too, that they take control and they are kind of teaching themselves.
I like when they go all out with acting and stuff like that. I learned a lot about when the Israelites sinned, and then they cried out to God. God sent them a judge, and then they sinned again. I think that's true nowadays. People do that, but they don't actually stop sinning. They'll just keep on doing it.
I would recommend it for other churches to try this program. It has material that can last you for a half an hour, or if you needed to extend it for a longer lesson, maybe 45 minutes or an hour, there's always options for that as well.
100% I would recommend Dwell curriculum to anyone, simply because the curriculum's made for you. It's been fantastic for Hope CRC Church for the last 5 years or so that we've used it. So much buy-in by everybody. Everyone really enjoys it. Get it today.